Hello everyone, welcome to Khan Global Studies, and today we have one important update, and that is about the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission. So Dr. Ajay Kumar, he has been appointed as the chairperson of Union Public Service Commission. If we talk about Dr. Ajay Kumar, you will find that he is a IAS officer of 1985 batch. He belongs to Kerala cadre and he has retired in 2022. You know that the general retirement age of an IAS officer is 60 years. But before his retirement, Dr. Ajay Kumar, he had served as the Defense Secretary of India. During 2019 to 2022, he has served as this Defense Secretary. He has also played an instrumental role in Digital India also. At the same time, when we talk about Union Public Service Commission, you know that in our constitution, there is part 14 and chapter 2 of part 14, which deals with Union Public Service Commission. Here, we have the entire detail about Union Public Service Commission, Joint Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, between Article 315 to 323. In these articles, you will find that each and everything is given in detail about Union Public Service Commission also, State Public Service Commission also, and Joint Public Service Commission. When we talk about Union Public Service Commission, you will find that it can have one chairperson plus up to 10 members. Up to 10 members means it can be somewhat less also. Like right now, if we see, there are two vacant positions. Now, when we are talking about Union Public Service Commission, the chairperson of this Union Public Service Commission, he can have a tenure of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. So that is the tenure of Union Public Service Commission chairperson. Now, at the same time, there is this one simple question for you. Can you tell me that who can remove the chairperson of State Public Service Commission? So that is one question for you. You can answer it in the comment box. Thank you so much. Take care.